Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to week 4. Your week 3 stuff has been scored, so make sure you've turned that in. There were some missing assignments, and I don't want you guys to fall behind. So please, 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 if you're behind, get caught up as soon as you can. Check your grades in Skyward and let me know if you have any questions. For week 4, we're going to start looking at some arguments. So we're going to be looking at 2 different articles on 2 different topics and looking at some argument strategies and things like that. So the first assignment is about bullying on Twitter. So the first thing you're going to do is follow this link and read the article. And then you're going to use that article to answer questions 1 through 4. Make sure you answer in complete sentences, cite evidence from that article. And then for number 5, you're going to find a second article that's about the same topic. So a different article written by a different person, but that's still about bullying on Twitter. It doesn't have to be Twitter specifically. It could just be online bullying. But you'll paste the link to the article right here. And then where it says your response, that's where you'll respond to this question here. Compare and contrast the author's arguments, claims, and argument strategies. So pay attention to what points are the authors making. Are they different? Are they the same? Maybe do those authors have the same bias? Do they have the same purpose for writing their articles? Just kind of compare and contrast the stance that the authors are taking on those articles. For assignment number 2, you're going to be looking at tanning beds in teenagers. Okay, so you'll open up this article here, kind of the same deal. You're going to read the article, use that article to answer the question, questions 1 through 4, and then you're going to find a second article that is about this same topic. Link the article here. And again, compare and contrast the author's purpose, author's bias, the claims the authors are making. How are those articles similar? How are they different? And those are the only 2 assignments for week 2. The 2 assignments for week 4. There will be a quiz on Thursday, so make sure you have both of those articles read and the assignments completed so you are ready to be successful on that quiz. Attendance word for this week is water bottle. So please email me the word water bottle so I know that you've watched this video and I can get you your attendance credit. And if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to email me. All right, you guys have a great week.